All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we are live. What's going on, y'all? Good to be here. Please hit the like button for me on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. I've been here for a little bit. I took 2 trades so far. First, I took a L on what was that? BQ. Yeah.
NXXT.
What's that trade? Look, I mean, it was just so thin. Like, what was I doing? What was I doing? But I kind of, yeah, eh. Yeah, not my best work. But this SMX, even though I kind of jumped the gun over here, but I jumped the gun with with my position size to have my stop below there, and it came down, and I liked it even better, so I added right here, and probably should have taken profit out here. Yo, what up, Knives? Yo, T boy. What's up, man? Been looking for you, bro. What's going on? um yeah, so yeah, kind of, wishing I took profit here, but I think it's a really good entry on the 5. So hopefully it does kick back into uptrend mode and excuse me. We can eat pretty good on it. For sure, stop is pretty much going under this candle if it breaks that high. Which is 210. Wave Rider. Nah, it's all good, T-boy. Shoot, man. You gotta do what you gotta do to get where you're trying to get, you know?
AOI.
Something, yes, sir. I'm ready, man. I was sad to not trade yesterday because I was really excited from the day before. So yeah, man. I'm pumped. Let's do it. Man, I missed BW. I almost got BW. I've just gotten so used to getting entries on the 1 that I felt like it felt like it was too high just buying the break of the 5, which was it was at 245 when I was stuttering about buying it because it was up on the 1 and I was like, nah, I want to wait for a pullback. Never pulled back. Like that joker just kept running. So I'm kind of missing that. What up, Trex? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We back, baby. We are back. God willing. But yeah, so I missed that one. I don't know what to make of this now. It's about to find out. Hey, what's up, Felipe? Yeah. What do y'all got, man? I mean, it pretty much seems like SMX is the only like reasonable thing going right now. Still got BW on watch for sure. Yeah, but I don't think I want to trade BQ at all. And I don't really have anything else. SMX and CMBM. Market code. Yeah, that's what it seems like. CMBM. Okay, it's in a kind of cool little spot right there. It's a volume. It's interesting there. Yeah, it's actually looking kind of opportune right there where it's at, I would say. Huh. I do kind of want to buy it. Hmm. Feels like a pretty solid downtrend at the moment, though. Got the higher low here. Yeah, I don't know. XAIR. Yeah, I pulled that up once or twice in pre-market. Oh. Almost time for the open. Over 206. Look at this. Look at this flat support right here. I could see it wanting to break it and then go. What up, Trey? My man. XAIR. I like that. That's interesting.
CYCU.
CYCU. Okay. Top and tail is nasty.
LNAR. CYCU.
All right. Yo, CYCU is popping. What's going on here on SMX? I think we might be all right, man. We can get over 210. Man, that's a lot to do.
LNAR. CYCU.
I'm not risking that much. 3 pony. What's going on? Hey, y'all, don't forget to hit that like button. Yo, B, what is this? XAIR? They want my money right now.
LNAR.
Like over 207. Nah, I'm chilling. Let's wait till the open. We can wait for the higher high and a pullback. CYCU, man, looking real strong. Good lord.
CYCU.
TEVA.
LNAI.
LNAR. CYCU.
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
LNAI. CYCU.
Mm.
MIMA.
Mm-hmm.
LNAI.
SLDP.
MIMI. LNAI. TREX.
TREX.
I don't know. I think on CYCU, I'd be looking
LNAI.
for 315 to hold at this point.
TREX.
I'm still working on my support mindset though.
LNAI.
Yeah, she's rolling.
SLDP. SMCI.
Shoot, might not need nothing but SMX, man. That might be all I need. Oh, there goes the break of 210, 214.
LNAI.
RIBN.
LNAI.
RIBN.
Nice. That's what's up, Felipe. Good call, man. Barely gapping 10%. Mm.
CCTG.
CCTG. MU.
How much time to the open? Oh, that's 1 minute.
CCTG.
SLDP.
Mm. Get out.
UPSX. UPST.
You already sell it.
AMDY. LMNX halted to the upside. BTBT halted. RDHL. EGHT. KTUP halted.
What's going on right there?
LABX. EXK. RIBN. WULF. AMDY. RIOT. RXRX. SMCY.
EGHT. LNAI. UPSX. RDHL.
RDHL.
Ah,
ANEL.
too slow. Too slow. What's it
LABX.
gonna fill me at?
JXG.
Oh man.
NGL. NAGE.
FTRE. ANEL.
Who knows what it's gonna fill me at?
DAWA.
Oh man. My
TREX.
stop buy was 87.
AXTIA.
BHBN. NAK.
Oh
BHBN.
man, fill me at
CRCT.
495.
BQ.
ACMR. UPSX.
Screen's frozen.
EGHT. RDHL. NFE. ANEL. BW.
SSRM.
LABX.
AXTI.
SEDG. BQ. UPST.
UPSX.
LNA.
WHL.
VW,
BHBN. Upside.
BHBN.
bruh.
NFE. BHBN. UPST.
UPSX.
Yep.
EGHT.
Let me chill this thing on
ECMR.
Squawker.
S.
Sheesh. Dang it, man. My stop buy was 87, bro. All right, I just had to sell something. I got in so high that I just got to sell something at that point, you know? So nice hit there. What was that? 530s from 495. Tried to get 487. Good sell there. I knew I should have sold this. It's all right though. See where it goes. Yeah, BW was looking way too good to pass up, honestly. Should have added right there at 2 again. Yeah. Hey, you see T-Boy CYCU down at 290. I don't see any buy signals though. It's just there. Man, it's always better to sell. Like right here, when I pulled my style, I was gonna get some off at 214, and I was like, nah. Like I would feel better right now had I sold right there. Like I don't think there's a time that I would feel bad. Like man, I wish I didn't sell right there. Unless maybe I sold my whole position, but if I did, then you know you could get back in right there. So I gotta let that sell go, man. I be holding too much. Yeah, it definitely looks light. That's what I mean. I don't see no kind of buy signal on it. In my mind, I want to see the Rick James, the the Dave Chappelle. I want the stock doing this to me. Otherwise, I don't want it. What are we doing here, SMX? What are we doing? Hmm. 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 LNAI is still going? Yeah, I missed it. Wow, 40s. That's what's up. Hey, long as one of us caught it, it's all good. Liking SMX more and more. Maybe. Tighten that stop up. Oh, that's what we like to see. Oh, order filled. Let's go. All right, we'll move stop up to break even. Okay, nice, nice. What we looking at? Oh, we got some highs to climb. We got some highs to climb. Am I jumping the gun a bit? Maybe. What's this low? 74. Wait. I got my sale at 247. Hopefully we can conquer this level. Yeah, it's kind of been chopping around. Got that good pre-market entry. Let's look ready. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go on up there, man. 231. No. Yeah, that ain't what we wanted to see. That ain't what we wanted to see at all. Okay, BW. Can we get the breakout? $43. Gotta take profit at 48. All right, bro. Ain't nothing wrong with that. 46. Come on, give my 48, man. I saw 49. There it is. Order filled right there. It ain't take too much but 5 shares, but it's the principalities. Yeah, I know, man. It's going real good today. It's going real good today. Yeah, I kind of feel like I should have just got out after the close of this candle right here. But, 185. Nice sell, man. Look at these sales, boy. We back. All right, stopped out on SMX. Had break even on the last shares, but we got a nice take profit on it. So that was cool. Got in down here with an average of 202 between these two sales and sold at 219. And now we're in BW. Looks like that was probably the top. Man, SMX about to bounce, yo. Look at that. I knew I should have had my stop below lower day. That's a heck of a bounce right there. Really nice. All right, just bought back in SMX right there. Risking lower day. Yeah, man, it's a cool day, Knives, for sure. Yeah, buddy. I feel like it. Why stopping buying into resistance? Look at the 5 though. To me, this is the 5 just threw a hammer time. And instead of buying the break of the 5, I just bought the break of the first pullback on the 1. But I see what you're saying too. I'm just hoping my sentiment on the 5 can override that. 40 more shares right there. Stop now under 210. Looking for 229. Stop is just below 5, so I could definitely see getting wicked out and then it going back up, but that's fine. I'm just not. There's no need to risk anything on it. I really should have got out under here, or under here at the least. But let's see how it goes. We are pennies within our target here. Oh, bang bang! Another one. Stop the break even. Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski. Yo, that was cool as heck. The screen's frozen again? No way. No way. Oh, what a hater, bro. All right, we out of that. Looks like stopped out of both of my positions. But we up 3.6 R on the day. Pretty cool. So I think. Thanks, Knives. Yeah, this is the end right here though. Yeah, that's red flag for real. Ahmad, what's going on, bro? It's very tempting to buy, but this is a rule. This is a big rule. Highest volume red candle of the day. He can't do it, man. Can't do it. Oh, there goes CYCU bouncing finally. Maybe. Let me see what we got here. Yeah, got a higher high right there. Dang, man. I really wanted to take that, but I can't. I want to watch it and see it break down though, so I can feel even more confident to not take that trade again next time. What's up, Focus? EW. I was definitely looking at 5 for the bounce. You didn't have to do all that. I know, man. I missed BW. Well, I got BW here, but I missed it. Oh yeah, I had a nice little time on BW over here. Hey. But I wanted it right here, man. I was watching it in pre-market right here, and I missed this. And then I was gonna buy it here, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait for the pullback, and then it just never pulled back. But because of missing that, I was watching it like a hawk at the open, and I thought this was a really good 5-minute setup. So yeah, I bought, even though I got in super high, man. I was trying to get in over 87, and I got in at 95 or something, but it still worked out. Yeah, I didn't catch it. I was distracted at the moment that I needed to be like waiting for my entry. All right, so Max bounced. What happened? I thought oh, okay, I stopped out right. Oh, okay, yeah, it's bouncing. It's bouncing. Let's see though. See, according to my rule, this thing should continue in a downtrend. But if this makes like a higher low or double bottom, then I think it's actionable. But this one is not actionable for me, even though it looks like it's about to squeeze. SLDP. Wow. Wowzers. I don't want it now. What am I gonna do with it now? What is CYCU saying over here? It's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. That's what it's saying. He just got here. What is this saying to me? Downtrend, major downtrend on the 15. Is this any kind of level out of anywhere? No. Okay. Yeah. Dang it, SMX. Damn you, traitor. It looked like it was super strong too. And it was above most of the trading of the day. Maybe there could be exceptions made. If I see like a volume spike or something on CYCU, then I could maybe think about something. This would be wild. Yo, what up, OG? Man, CYCU looking kind of good over there, man. I think it just needs more time, though. Nothing to trade today? Man, we've been having a pretty good day over here, man. It started out that way, but I think it's turning into a better and better entry. All right, in there now. It goes or it don't. Mm-hmm. I can feel it. I can feel the coldness. Stop that ass in max. You know what? I'm calling it, yo. Up 3R. Ain't nothing really going on. I mean, SMX looks like it has potential. I think I just kind of got it a little too early there. A little too high. right, back in there again. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, no, we're good. Wait, did that stop me out already? Dang, I'm out of there. Ah, yeah. That's cold world. What was the reason for that trade? Well, I like the volume that came in on this little hammer guy right here, and it looks like, you know, two candle pullback on the 5. Thought I was getting in there on the early side of that hammer. Hmm. Well, 223 was a level we were playing with as support. Pretty wide stop there, eh? $20. Hmm. I still want SMX again. Hmm. Okay, that was definitely a buy right into resistance on this one. I could see that for sure. Hmm. Now I remember that one of the main things that make you successful and the thing that doesn't make you successful is like things like walking away when you're up 3R. The inability to do that thing. Yeah, I can do that thing now though. I just kind of forgot today. I almost remembered, but yeah, true. Yeah. Right. Yeah, we stopped out on both of those. Back to break even on the day. Ain't that a biscuit? Yeah. Can't argue with you there. Hmm. Hmm. Um, I would say, huh? Yeah, I guess I'm more focused on execution, but it's always going to be both, I think, right? Like, if I'm having a good day, I want to be able to just be like, all right, that's cool. We up 3R, 3.6R. That's goals. So, but yeah, I get it too. It's paper, so I want to get as much practice in as possible. Yeah. Because it seemed like a good idea. But nah, you're right. Yeah. Ooh, BW back at 5 now. New lows. Hmm. Mm. Why am I trading below VWAP? Well, the idea is to trade off support. And the best trades were definitely below VWAP today. DTCK. Dang, stopped out on BW. Red on D-Day. Huh. Nah, it makes a lot of sense, Knives. As always. SLDP. I'm just looking for some sort of buyer spike over here on SMX. Yeah. I want to see what SMX is gonna do on this next test to 2-ish. Um, I guess I like taking this many trades, but I don't think that it's often that there's this many trades to take. So, I mean, realistically, I think the goal I want is to be able to take 1 or 2 trades, honestly, uh, and be done. Because I want more of a longer position for my trade. So, yeah, I think I'm like 1 or 2 longer hold type trades type of person. Yeah. Okay, still doing decent volume. Just waiting for the buyers to step up. Yeah, you ain't right. You ain't wrong, Sal. You ain't wrong. Hmm. Man, I kind of want to go in. Gotta wait though. Gotta wait though. CURR. Ugh. No volume. MTC. This can't be what you're talking about. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing needs to make another low. Come back down and test this level again, but higher instead of lower. I'm really just waiting to see a big volume spike. That's really what I want to see. Yeah. That used to be a big problem for me. I mean, it probably still is, but just looking at things that I shouldn't be looking at, I always end up trading them. Yeah, I don't think SMX gonna do it. So don't scoop poop. What up, T-Lo? Yeah, it's hella getting late.
Imagine being able to build an app with
Whoa.
AXTI. RDHL. Sara is expected to resume in 15 seconds. AREC. CI.
Boy, you scraping when you pull the scanner back out. Bro, just let's check it out, Sal. Yeah, SMX looks like it's crashing out regardless. There's the new lows back down to 2. Lower day. Ichiro single. This could be the bottom right here. Whoa. 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 Yeah, there's your new low of day right there. Super new low of day. Ah, interesting. Bro. Dang, I killed him. That's what happens. All right. Yeah, that's super yikes. EVC. Whoa. Bruh, we needed this alert 5 minutes ago. Well, 30 minutes ago. What a move. It's only 20 cents. Yo, what up, Brian? That's a super tempting buy down there. Yeah, I know. That's the thing, Trey. It's just too high up. Oh, it's all good, Brian. I know I've been a little inconsistent lately. Life's been a bit hectic for me, but I'm still chasing the dream, man. Had some really nice trades today, too. Just kind of threw it all out the window on the way back down from selling the tops. Sheesh. When did you get in this one, Focus? You probably got in down here like 220s, though. Yeah. Seems like I should have had this one up. That's a nice bounce right there, actually. That's really nice. Look at that. What a beaut. Yeah. I hate money. The root of all evil. They say it's the love of money, though. That's the root. See, I hate money, so it's all good. I'm gonna get like you one day, Focus. It's coming soon. uh, that's funny, bro. I know, and that's when you buy for sure. I do feel that, Focus. I do feel that. That's such a strange thing. It's too far from the lows again, man. You're right. I was unsure right there, bro. I wanted 85. I should have just bought it. Should have just bought it. Right, bro. Like, what do we can't get jiggy with that? there's the volume spike I wanted to see though. Chasing too many skirts. SLDP. Wow. What happened? Okay, yeah. I just pulled that up. Yeah, it was too late for me. Yeah, that's a real nice one, Wave Rider. You on that one? I had to jump on in there, Trey. I was like, hey, 10-cent risk. I could live with that. My guess is more like 13-cent risk. Man, that's what's up, Brian. That's a really nice move to be in. You may as well keep quiet. Whatever, bro. Bro, I don't know how it looked crazy, bro. When I pull this up, like, how am I going to buy this? Like, would my order even get filled? Is what I would think from looking at this chart. But it went up. Yeah, that's the thing about it. SLDP. I can't remember when you told me about this one. I think maybe it was over here. It was, bro, because if I look at something and it's already done this, it's just like mentally it's hard for me to approach it. Like, I'm just like it's already made a really great move, you know. But I guess I didn't look at like what the potential, what was the potential of the move. I didn't look at the daily or anything. Yeah, see, I didn't realize we had a high over here at 805, you know. That would have been different. See, you didn't explain all that. You should have been like, just look at the daily check out this potential breakout over 805, and then I would have been like, hey, it did just get over 805, and you know, you gave me the resistance too. Well, I don't know what to say then. My bad. Let's try it again tomorrow. Lost for words. All right, this is the last call right here, Trey. I know, right? But I still want it to be practical though. Like I at least have to understand the trade and see it. Like I can't be like, man, I don't see nothing here, but I'm gonna just buy it because you said so. Like it just don't work for me. Like I know you be seeing things, but I just gotta see it too. Yeah. Oh, I know. I've definitely paid my share of learning fees. What y'all think about CYCU? Do I need to just delete this thing? Nobody wants this thing except me and Trey. And Trey ain't buying it. Yeah, it makes sense in hindsight for sure. I just didn't calculate all those things. Beyond molasses. It's gonna spike down and then go. Hope I have enough room here. $30 seconds left in this candle. 3 minutes left over there. Yeah, I feel like a test of this low is coming at least. 184. Yeah, I'm definitely knife catching right now. I know, right? Like, I really don't, when the 15 is below VWAP, usually for me, it's like, all right, bro, it's instant the downtrend. Especially the hourly below VWAP, it's like, yeah, bro, that mark's dead. It's dead, son. This was cool right here, but we will try again. Don't give up on me, focus. $1% risk parameters? No. I'm still a dollar amount guy. Honestly, my entry parameters I feel like have kind of floating. But yeah, this is a hell of a downtrend on SMX. looking at the higher time frame. There's no way I should be looking at this at all, for any sort of bounce. Got fresh low lows. Like, what time frame is this looking good on? Like 185 being the last level. Like, it is the last level, but that don't mean it's a good level. Like, I would say $2 was the last good level. And once it broke that, it's just like dumpster diving. All right, I'm gonna put it on today, bro. And Destructo Ray. Nah, it's not a good level for me, bro. Cause I'm still I still want to look for long trades in an uptrend. And at this point, like, it's broken every single level. It's clearly not uptrending on any time frame. Like, it's making lower highs on the hourly. Like, it's a wrap. Like, support on the hourly to me from this, after this high, which is 196, would be the low. Maybe this low at 156, but I don't know. Like, there's not even any. Yeah, that thing is wrapped. Charts are frozen. Why does this happen so much? I was watching Ian Carroll, and he seems to have the same issue too. Probably just like freezing all the time. Weird. Yeah, so I want to be trading uptrends, but then like I see something like this and SLDP, and I was like totally like, oh no, that looks terrible. So I don't know. There's a problem somewhere. There's a problem somewhere. This entry right here, though, that's pretty cold. I think I should have been interested in that. The contrarian evolution. hmm. Yeah, and I mean, like on SMX, I caught the best levels to trade off of. I just, once it was over, which was here, man, that's crazy. You know what's crazy though? You know what's crazy is after this thing, I didn't buy this because I said this is a disqualifier, right? And because it made a new high, I was like, all right, we're good. Which, I mean, I feel like if it makes a higher high, higher low over that level, then it does mean something. But it didn't actually hold that low. I kind of held it. Not really. It closed below. Yeah, Yeah, so like I recognized that it was time to leave this alone right here, but I kept trading it. One, two, three trades, four trades after that. You know. So yeah, I just definitely overstayed my welcome there. Um, yeah, like here too, same thing here. Awesome trade, boom, big high of the day, climactic move up, and it's over. And then I'm still selling it. I mean, I'm still buying it at resistance too. This was a terrible buy right here. This one I can see. Wow, it looks good now. That would have been really nice to eyeball that off of this level. Sheesh. How did I miss that? Yeah, this is what I want to do. Yeah, that would have been a real nice one to get into. Let's get rid of this sell order. Yeah. And see, it's still holding up. It's holding up still. Like the other one, SMX was just breaking lows, like just snapping through the levels lower and lower. You know, this was real nice. This was really nice action on the 5. Really nice action on the 5. That's crazy. This would have been a clutch entry here. Yeah. So I'm seeing. I know what I want to see. I think I need to. I definitely need to define it more, like Knives is saying. Um, I haven't really correlated the float with my success at this point, Sal. Like, because I have good trades on low float stocks and I have good trades on big float stocks too. So I don't know. I just haven't really found that to be like a huge factor because of that. Um, I think I'm using them a little less. Like I see them, but I'm not necessarily. It's not the top factor. I mean, the main thing I'm worried about is the trend and where it's at in the trend. Is it uptrending or is it downtrending? And if it's uptrending, am I buying it at support? Those are like the main questions I want to ask myself. Yeah, but now BW's we got two green candles. The second one like a wide range, big move up. So yeah, I mean maybe back now I want it back below VWAP. Like I would want it at 5. I don't know. A red 5 minute candle though that holds VWAP would be meaningful to me too though. Yeah, I'm not feeling it anymore. I'm not feeling it anymore, Brian. That's funny for you to say that. I was thinking about that the other day. Like, I almost want to go naked again on the charts and just use levels exclusively. But I really like VWAP for context because just so many people trade with it. But yeah, man, I think I'd have to agree with you on that one. I think I want to change the color of my levels as well. Can I make that default? Yeah, cool. So how do we improve tomorrow? Um, hmm. Yeah, I'm feeling very undefined. Yeah. No, I pay for the whatever the lowest tier is what I pay because the free one you can only look at one chart on the screen at a time. Can't look at like I can't have two windows open like this. And it comes with data and all that, so it's like $25 a month. Um, Orb. Oh, where it puts a line over the first 5 minute opening range. I used to have that, but I want the more significant levels. Man, if this thing will just pull back to this level, I would really like it. I've kind of been enjoying looking at the MACD um, for a little perspective. It just kind of reminds me to recheck the time frames for the um, if it's uptrending. Like it makes me want to look. All right, let's see. If I want to enter, but the MACD is red, it makes me want to go double check the other time frames. What you think, Sal? I didn't see it till it was way up, Rob, and I was too scared to touch it after that. If I'm being honest, that's how it happened. Hmm. I haven't even been really looking at it on the one either. I've been looking at it on the higher time frames. Huh. It's useless for support buying. I don't think so. If it's at support and it looks like the MACD is about to turn, versus if it's at support and it looks like the MACD is rearing up for a huge downtrend, I think there's a little information to be gotten from that. I traded BW. Ooh, excuse me. I traded BW and I traded all right, focus. Thanks for hanging, bro. All right, let's see. Yeah, I think we already missed it. I really feel like we already missed it on BW, Sal. But this is a nice setup on the 5 for sure. First pullback after a double bottom. Just would have been really nice to catch that double bottom, you know. All right, focus. Appreciate you. Yeah, I had SMX and I had BW. SMX got the volume back a little bit Testing the bottom side of 185. I think the 5 looks great on BW. Oh, look at this candle too with the green. Oh yeah. Like it. All right, I'm in BW. At 508. First take profit 528. Oh, really? Sounds like something to stay away from. SLDP. Oh, yeah, it looks good again. On 5. What's up with the volume now? I need to at least put SODP up over here. I'm tripping. Yeah, it definitely got to hold 850. It's looking rough. See anything open that could have started that? That's weird. Man. Yeah. Yeah, that ain't nice at all. I mean, it's a hammer candle, so it makes me feel, a little bit better about it that some of this volume is pushing the price back up from the low. Um, but yeah, I mean, it's not ideal. I was expecting this to be the lows. That looks better. Just gotta get back over 511 and I'll feel real comfortable. I still think the 5 looks good though. Looks like the MACD's trying to flip. Not on the 1 though. Mm. Yeah, stop is 498. Here we go. Maybe. Maybe. Like that volume coming in. Screen's frozen again. Yeah. I need to put a automatic refresh on my screen. That I could write a little script for that. Yeah, ain't no way. That last high? Oh wait. Hold up. Yeah, this high right here. Yeah. Hey. 512. What you thinking, Brian? It's looking interesting over here to me. I think the next higher low on the one. Oh, snaps. Here we go. Look at that, man. What a move. What a move. Go on, head up there and take that TP. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, boy. Only need 5 more pennies. I know, right? I'm scared. Price guarantee on THAR. Did I pull up THAR? Wow. Wow. This would have been a cool one. Yeah, I think it's not looking good on SLDP for another one. After that move right there. Man, I'm kind of wishing I sold on that last one. I think if I had hotkeys, I would at least just sell like 10 or 20 shares just on GP. But it feels kind of fumbly. Especially on that big volume spike of that move. We should get a second candle up maybe. Okay, hold on, man. SLDP. It's a nasty looking entry though. Oh yeah. Yeah. Notorious is a killer. SLDP looking a little more interesting now. Just a little bit. And at 851. Man, if it could just give a little peekaboo pullback for me, man. Man, good luck though. It's looking good so far, Brian. Yo, SMX. Nah, that still ain't it. It still ain't it. Hold on. Nah, that might be it. That might be it right there. Give it a little more time. 175. Yeah. Give it a little more. Wow. Yo, Brian. Dang, man. That's how you do that. That's super cool, bro. What up, Jay? You in here with me too, man? What's your PT? I mean your TP, PT. Yeah, take profit, price target, same thing. 24. Oh yeah, you almost there, buddy. There it is. Got Jay. Come get me. Nice. 28. 528. Man, nice trade, Brian. That's cool. With 1K shares. Hmm. Yo, what's up, Tristan? It feels that way, man. Yo, I'm liking SMX over here. I might go. Not really. Not really. Hmm. 5 to 10 cent scalps. I just went long on SLDP. So I hope that 9 is still in play. About to find out. What support risk level? 850. Gotta fight more for price. Well, I usually wait for 5 minute triggers for the 5 minute candle to make a new high. So me jumping in on the one and getting in a few cents lower is actually me trying to fight for price. But I'd love to hear your idea of it as well. Expound on that, please, sir. Come on, BW. Yeah, I don't know. It's looking like I need to tighten up the stop and grab my single. Just gonna grab the single. Again, I should have sold up there just so I could be comfortable while I'm sitting here right now instead of wishing. Hmm. Dang. Those are awesome stats, bro. Yeah, as I'm approaching more of a support buying mindset, I am looking for I do want to get my entry price as close as that support level as possible. And I've been getting in some trades before the candle closes because of that, because I just see that this is the price that I want. You know, if I want to put my stop here and the price is here right now, like this is the price that I really want. Hey, we cooking over here on SLDP though. What up, Rob? I got my order at $9, Rob, on you. Like, what's up? I need that. I need that. Yo, we are big right now on on SLDP. Yeah, stop playing with me. All right, took a quarter out just on GP, man. Took a quarter out on GP. Good looking out trade. This really sucks that my screen keeps doing that. But yeah, just again, it just feels better to sell a piece instead of sitting wishing when it pulls back. So took a quarter out up there. I'm gonna change this to 50 because that's my real target. And now we chilling. Am I you okay with that support buy being 850 over the previous high a day back here, Trey? That was my idea behind it. And then we got BW over here. Yeah, boy. Boy. It popped up to 524 again, huh? Way too high. Resistance becomes support, man. I just don't get what to look for, Tristan. I've heard many great traders preach about level 2, but I don't even. Actually, somebody did send me a cool little video course that I feel like I was starting to get some good from, but I just didn't really finish the course. I just feel like the things that I need to work on are more mental than those things. Like that's something I can refine a little bit later. Yeah, that's why I sold right there, Sal. I had, I can't just let it sit at resistance. But I don't see anything that's saying get out right now either. Like, I think it looks great. So I'm chilling. BW though. Or is that what you were talking about? You were talking about BW. My bad. Yeah, it looks terrible. It looks terrible. Yeah, that double top is nasty. On volume too. Yeah. Got a shot. We got a shot. SLDP. Is that another new high right there? And then get slapped. Yeah, that was high a day right there on SLDP. Hey, hold on. BW said, hold on. Count me out yet. I like the volume on that hammer candle though. Those always make me feel a little better. Oh my God, bro. OBS, man. We gotta talk. We gotta talk, bro. Let's go ahead and move that stop to BE. SMX is looking kind of cool over here. I still haven't really seen like the volume, but it's back over 185. We got a higher low on the 5. Nice little hammer. MACD look like it's want to flip. Come on, SLDP. Where you at, Rob? Hey, BW is working too, man. Let's see if we can break that top, though. That's kind of the thing about it. I think a smart man would drop his stop below this high, but I feel like we in it to win it. All right, man. Thanks for hanging out, Sal. It's good having you. Hit that like button for me on your way out, sir. You don't mind. Appreciate it. Glad I can get some green on the board today for the stream. It's been rough out here. It's just patience, man. Patience and just like literally just doing nothing when it's time to do nothing. It's one of the difficult things. Come on, man. It's squeeze time. What's the next? I don't know. I feel like I can. Maybe we should do 5. Let's not be greedy. We already missed the double top sale. You know what? We're going to keep selling resistance. All right. Sold that top right there on principalities. And we'll move stop to break even. Now it feels like we're trading. Now it feels like we're trading. Yeah. New high day and just turned it around, huh? Now I feel great about the sell. Stops at break even. I'm chilling. Yo, SMX is like you sure you don't want to buy it right now? Oh snap! SLDP, another new high day. Yup. Come on, $9. Um, I just want to break even. I hear you. It's kind of a scary way to trade, huh? This is low. I'm okay with it though. I mean, honestly, I can move it up under this low, really, and that would be reasonable in my mind. Hmm. Hmm. What you think I need to give this thing more room to play around, Rob? I just, once I take profit, it's just kind of like why let it become a loser? Support is support. Hmm. On SLDP 660. I mean 860. BW 508. Yeah, I think they're both pretty decent. Come on, SLDP. You could tell it won't 9. You could tell it won't 9. Ooh, look at SMX over here. Okay then. Okay then. Go ahead and move my stop right there. $2 risk on this puppy. $100 million float. Yeah. It's working though. I done made some money off this thing today. Lost some too, but being positive here. Yeah, I know you've been saying that a lot. Man, big spike. It would have been nice to get a sell off on that spike. Huh. SODP looks really exciting. If it can go, if it can just go, that could be cool. I don't know if we're gonna make it on BW. Man, I'm glad I sold some right there. uh, oh, really? That's a nice pivot. I think we about to get let off on BW. Get let off. That's okay though, because we got two other things moving, and we took our little profit up there. We're not gonna make it. Double topped right there, huh? The Magnetum flipped green on SMX. Can we take out two? That is the question. Mm. Yeah. I just want to get into a rhythm, feel like I got a workflow going again before I start putting money back in. It just makes sense. Skin in the game. I didn't catch that. Thanks for clarifying. Appreciate it, Rob. Just to see the fate of these trades at this point. Seeing some life over here. Maybe. Dead cat bounce. All right, SLDP. Got some more in you. Rob said 9. Yeah, I think we got one more higher high, higher low on SMX. At least one more, maybe even 2. Ugh. SMX is not looking good. Actually, that's not terrible. Quick little bounce back to support. I don't know how BW is still holding on. Just know it's gonna stop me out and then bounce. hear the tornado siren outside. I was kind of anticipating it this month because they were talking about since the government shut down, we weren't gonna have the weather reporting and stuff like the tornado test. Man, I think we might have caught the reversal on SMX. Definitely too early to tell, but it might have happened. SMX, BW. Uh, well, that's a wrap on SMX. I think that was like a $2 loss. I had to stop pretty tight on that entry, so not too bad there. I'd say with the risk to reward on that, it was worth it. Still sitting with SLDP, stop it, break even, and BW, stop it, break even. Taking profit on both of those trades, but I don't know how it's looking. There's the stop on BW. All we got's left is SLDP. 70, huh? Hmm. Would really like to have my little $6 at this point. Hmm. Yeah, this thing's a wrap. All right, man. I'm about to go use the restroom and rustle up some lunch and probably take some notes on these trades today, man. I feel like I got some really good trades, and then I got some trades that I'd like to avoid taking in the future. But all in all, a decent trading session. I think the last few sessions I was like well past like -50 or -100. So today, I think I got up to 36 in the green, and then pretty big swing the other way, taking trades on the same stocks that I was riding up on the way back down. So that's something avoidable, I think. But anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Hit that like button for me if you could. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Y'all be safe out here, man. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Peace. T-Lo.